Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable the AI camera on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. Now open the camera app on your device. And then within the camera app, all you have to do is simply tap on this arrow at the top of the screen, tap on it. And then from the options that appear, you should see the AI camera. So as you can see right now, it's not enabled. So if you'd like to enable it, simply tap on that and it will turn yellow or orange. And that means that the AI camera has been enabled. Now, if you'd like to disable it, simply tap on that AI camera option and that will disable the AI camera on your Redmi Note 14. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.